Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we can't set up mobile hotspot error in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Turn on mobile hotspot. Turn off power saving. You can change network properties. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.